Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Ford escape out of theft mode. First, you need to identify the flashing security light on your dashboard, which indicates the system is active. Next, verify your car battery has sufficient charge, ideally 12.6 volts or higher. Finally, confirm all doors, the hood, and the trunk are fully closed, as an open sensor can trigger the mode. Once you've checked the basics, use the original, correctly programmed key fob. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Leave the key in this position for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the security light should eventually stop flashing and turn off, indicating the system is disarmed. If the ignition cycle doesn't work, try a battery reset. Locate your vehicle's battery, usually under the hood. Carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal using a wrench. This action helps to clear the vehicle's computer memory. Wait for at least 15 minutes before securely reconnecting the terminal. Then, attempt to start your Ford Escape again. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to consider professional assistance. A certified technician can perform a diagnostic scan to identify specific trouble codes. Sometimes, a powertrain control module, or PCM, reset is required, which often needs specialized tools. Contact a trusted Ford service center. They have the expertise to safely get your escape running again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.